Do you feel emotionally distant from your husband, even when nothing is wrong? This is more common during menopause than anyone talks about. You're living in the same house, but it feels like you're miles apart. Small conversations feel draining, and connection feels harder than before. This isn't always about your relationship. Menopause can affect emotional connection, patience, stress response, and how safe you feel in conversations. Hormonal shifts, poor sleep, and emotional overload can make you withdraw, feel misunderstood, or stop expressing your needs. You are not alone. And this doesn't mean your marriage is broken. Here are 3 simple shifts. Step 1. Don't assume distance means disconnection. Name what you're feeling. Step 2. Start small conversations, not big emotional talks. And step 3. Reconnect during calm moments, not conflict. Connection doesn't disappear, it just needs a different approach during this phase. If this feels like your life right now, subscribe to calm your menopause rage and keep watching. These videos help you feel understood, connected, and emotionally strong again. Watch next. Is menopause destroying your marriage? What to do right now?